old Kentucky where the creek beds shine. Got the Kentucky go hunter working overtime. Pack on my back, dirty boots on the clay. Looking for the pay dirt to make my day. I step down to the river, let the cold stream flow. Taking out my gold pan, ready for the show. Push it in the water like a boat hitting the tide. Got a secret in the mix that I'm keeping by my side. Floaters in the water used to drive me insane. Tiniest flower, gold washing down the drain. Surface tension had the color acting like a feather. Now I hit it with the drop, pulling wealth together. Sliding that pan like a boat on a lake. Catching every single tiny flake I can take. Nothing lost in the wash, got the power in the drop. When I'm mining this creek, know the gold won't stop. Dribble them creek drop, keep it in the zone. So to find Kentucky gold don't float away from home. Yeah, M&P creek drop, put it in the pan. Making gold sink fast all across the land. Pan hits the ripple like a skiff off the shore. Settling the heavy stuff, digging out more. Swirl it around, see the black sand clear. Bright yellow glitter, man, the pay dirt's here. No flower lost, no gold getting away. M&P creek drop making project pay. Sliding that pan like a boat on the lake. Catching every single tiny flake I can take. Nothing lost in the wash, got the power in the drop. When I'm mining this creek, know the gold won't dribble them creek drop. Keep it in the zone, so to find Kentucky gold don't float away from home. Yeah, M&P creek drop, put it in the pan. Making gold sink fast all across the land. Yeah, Kentucky gold hunter, pan in my hand. Riding the current all across this land.